Well, Silver Dollar Pancake is playing with her kittens. She's about 3 years old, but she still likes to get into the action from time to time. I'm sure they probably wish they could get Milky's, but she's just fighting and playing with them. Uh-oh, she saw me. When uh-oh, she's got the twitchy back going on. She's agitated. You agitated, girl? You're fine. You gonna go beat them up? Oh, look at that. Oh, yes, loves those pats. What a girl. Active kittens are pretty fun. Hey! It's getting serious up on the couch. Void on void crying. Nice flip.